How to fix account settings out of data on Gmail. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, I'll show you guys how can you fix Gmail account settings out of. So if you're facing this sort of issue, then the easiest solution is to update your password or grant the account permission to sync your device. Now here's how you could do it. If you want to check the password, if you receive the error, it's likely your password is outdated or incorrect. So what you could do is you could go ahead and make sure to type in your password, or you could go ahead and reset your password by tapping on forgot password. Once you've done it, so you could try logging in, and that should be able to fix the issue as well. Sometimes you must have entered incorrect information, so there must be some typos, so make sure to check or double check the information that you've entered in. Likewise, other thing what you can also do is you could go ahead and grant the permission. You could go ahead and sync the information. Now if you're using a device or an app that accesses your Gmail account, you can ensure it has the necessary permission to sync it. So now you could go ahead and check for the Google account permission as well. Make sure that the account has the correct permission to sync your data as well. Now if you want to enable permission, you could also go ahead and long press the Gmail application, and you could go to the app info section, and here you could go ahead and click on permission and make sure to display over other apps. Once you've done it, so this should be able to fix it so as well. If not, then what you could do is check for an update. Sometimes temporary glitch can be fixed with the help of an update. So go to Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Gmail, and when you type in Gmail, you could see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update, click the update button, wait for it, and check whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, you could go ahead and clear cache as well as data. For that, you want to long press the application, go to this iInfo or the app info section, go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache, and now clearing your storage is going to permanently delete the data. Only if you're sure about it, then click the OK button, or else leave it as it is. Meanwhile, if you're in the same page, you want to go to the force stop and make sure to force stop the application for a couple of seconds or maybe a minute, and this should be able to fix it. So sometimes the issue might not be on the application, it must be your device itself. So you could also try restarting your device. That can be able to fix your issue all at once. So these are the ways to fix settings out of date on Gmail. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.